A shutdown is over. But don't you dare call this a victory. This wasn't a compromise. This was capitulation. After 40 days, the longest shutdown in U.S. history, 8 Democrats crossed a moral line and sided with the MAGA Republicans. Let me say their names loud and clear. Dick Durbin, Tim Kaine, John Fetterman, Jeanne Shaheen, Maggie Hassan, Angus King, Catherine Cortez Masto, Jackie Rosen. These 8 voted to hand over health care for 20 million Americans, the very thing this shutdown was supposed to protect. And the deal? It wasn't even to keep the government open. No, it was to extend the Affordable Care Act subsidies only until January 30th. That's it, a 90-day lifeline before the axe falls. When that date hits, 20 million people lose their ACA subsidies, and another 15 million will be kicked off Medicaid. That's 35 million Americans about to lose health coverage in the dead of winter, in the richest nation on earth. And the human cost? More than 50,000 people every single year will die unnecessary deaths, all so the top 1% can pocket a $1 trillion tax break. That's not governing. That's betrayal. These 8 senators didn't find common ground. They sold out the American people for a temporary headline and a lifetime of harm. Meanwhile, they'll keep their taxpayer-funded, platinum-tier health care, safe, comfortable, untouched, while millions fight to stay alive. If you or someone you love lives with hypertension, diabetes, multiple sclerosis, cancer, or depression, brace yourself, because your premiums, they're about to triple. Some will quadruple, and that's not policy, that's cruelty. So no, this isn't a deal. It's a death sentence for millions of working Americans, the elderly, the sick, the vulnerable, the very heartbeat of this country. The shutdown may be over, but America's moral compass, it's shattered. And when January 30th comes and lives start slipping away, remember the names. Remember who traded your health for someone else's wealth. This wasn't leadership. It was cowardice. This is Sensible Sue, signing off. Stay alert, stay tuned.